Maximum hypertrophy there. I gotta take pre-workout. Doesn't smell like blue. Like, well, I mean, I guess blue isn't a smell, but. Okay, so what are we doing today? Back and posterior chain?
Yeah, sure. Oh, we can do some goblet squats, right? That's a good one.
When I say posterior chain, trust me, I mean only back, not legs. Back day today, pumped again. It's actually pretty warm in here, eh? With just the small heater. And then I have like 2 layers on so that I can get a good pump without getting cold. Ugh. Fucking old man, can't even bend over and pick up this shit. Okay, so I start pretty much every one of my workouts, like upper body or back and shoulders and stuff, with a trap warm up or a lower trap warm up. So what I'm doing here is engaging my lower trap and retracting, relaxing my traps so that they're not getting engaged the entire time, and just getting my lower traps engaged, firing properly so that when I'm doing movements like pullovers or rows or anything like that, those stabilizers and everything are already warm and ready. I find that it definitely helps with my mind muscle connection with my lats and my mid back if I don't have to focus on my stabilizers the whole time. They're not getting exhausted. I'm just going straight overhead, not going like this, just relaxing my neck, squeezing my lower trap into my lats, and just holding that for a second and doing that motion. Usually I'll do like 10 reps going up and down, and then I just go off a feel mostly. Once I feel like I'm ready to go into like an actual warm-up set where I'm gonna be using full like actual resistance, then I'll go based off of that. But if you're just starting out and trying it, I would say do like maybe three sets of 10, and then you can do some scapular push-ups, which I'm gonna do in a second. For this, I'm doing my scap push-ups. So your scapula, your shoulder blades, if you don't, for layman's term. Basically what I'm doing is focusing on just only moving from my scapula, so retracting and protraction, retraction and protraction. Before I go into my workout, I wanna make sure I'm having the proper patterns and the right movement. So I'm just fully protracting, keeping my arms straight. See, I'm rounding my upper back and then fully retracting. And it's a small movement, so. It's important for like bench press as well. Retraction of the scaps and protraction and chest contractions, everything like that. So again, you can do like 3 sets of 10, or I just go off a feel. So fuck, I can't set it on my chest like a normal one.
One sec. Hair's getting a little wild.
Dude, I literally need a haircut so bad, like everybody else does, but it's so long.
Never mind the gyms. It's the
hair.
It's the hair. It's the ones that
you can't put Febreze on shit. So even if I put gel in there, it's just
it's just
shit. It's just sticky shit. Fuck. Stupid fucking thing. Do you want the world's best soccer throw-in? You gotta get the fast twitch fibers working.
Come on.
What?
actually get hurt.
Huh?
Can see your back when you're like that. That was good.
Fuck, I'm tired.